Hi, welcome to the second episode of the Biochar project in Nepal. In this chapter, we walk through the heart of the process, biochar production itself. From preparing a soil-based Kontiki pit to producing clean biochar to quenching, documenting, and verifying every batch, this is where carbon is captured, measured, and brought into the ceasing system. In this project, we use a soil Kontiki, a cone-shaped pit dug directly into the ground. The standard measurements are from 1.5 meter to 2 meters in diameter, the upper one, and 60 to 80 centimeter in the lower diameter, and 90 to 100 centimeter deep. The soil pits are smooth and sloped walls, forming a perfect Kontiki. Farmers learned why shape matters. The cone design creates a natural draft, pulling oxygen upward and ensuring a clean, smoke-free burn. Once the pit is shaped, farmers smooth the inside walls and base. A clean surface prevents soil from collapsing into the fire and helps maintain a stable flame pattern. The first layer is the foundation. Farmers place thin, dry twigs at the bottom, not too tight, not too dense. The goal is airflow. This layer acts like the starter bed that allows the first flame to spread evenly. To ignite the pit, farmers use dry leaves, thin twigs, small dry branches. They do not use kerosene, petrol, chemicals, or plastics. Clean ignition ensures clean biochar. As the first flame settles, farmers begin adding biomass in layers. They add small amounts, wait for the layer to fully flame, add another layer, spread it widely, and repeat patiently. Every layer must burn completely before the next is added. This prevents smoke, overheating, and ash formation. A clean Kontiki burn produces almost no smoke. When smoke appears, farmers gently adjust the quantity of biomass, the spacing, or the timing of the next layer. This practice protects the carbon and ensures high-quality biochar. During the entire burn, supervisors record every detail using the DMRV app. They capture the start time, pit size, feedstock type, biomass weight, photos and videos of each step, flame quality, pre-quenching moment, quenching moment, final biochar rate, and everything in between. Each batch becomes a traceable, verifiable carbon event. When the fire narrows into a thin blue flame, the pit reaches the final burn stage. This is the moment just before quenching. It is the most delicate timing, because too early will be half burnt wood and too late will become ash. Quenching freezes the reaction and locks the carbon. Farmers pour water slowly and evenly around the edges, never all at once. They move inward, mixing gently with long sticks. This prevents scattering, steam burns, and ash formation. After quenching, the biochar is left to cool. Once safe to touch, farmers collect it into a clean sacks or black buckets. Every batch is kept separate and labeled to maintain traceability. Once the biochar has fully cooled, the final and the most precise step begins for the production, that is, measurement and verification. Farmers transfer the finished biochar into a standard bucket. This single container becomes the reference unit for the entire DMRV system. Supervisors first measure the number of fully filled buckets, followed by the partially filled buckets. Both are recorded separately to ensure accuracy. Each volume is entered directly into the DMRV app in real time. The supervisors document the total volume of finished biochar, the total volume of produced biochar per batch, photos and videos of the filled containers, corresponding GPS and timestamp data. These measurements allow the system to verify the conversion rate, the relationship between the amount of biomass burned and the liters of biochar produced. Later, the recorded volumes are converted into carbon credits according to the ceasing methodology. And based on these verified quantities, the final financial benefits are distributed back to the farmers and supervisors. Alas, from soil pit to flame to water to measurement, this is the complete step-by-step Kontiki production chain in Nepal, a system that is simple, local, careful, and fully transparent for carbon verification. Every batch is a stored ton of carbon, and every producer a climate steward. Thank you for watching.